let me teach you how can you create an Instagram ads account this 2023 on the official Facebook website. In here you can have the steps here on how you can create an Instagram ads, and you will use the ads manager to do this. So first one is to go to ads manager. It is in here, so go to facebook.com business /business /tools /ads manager. And I think for this to work, you have to have a page, Facebook page on your Facebook. So not a personal page, I think. So, but you can try and do that. So go to ads manager. So you can just select on Google, type on Google ads manager, and this will pop up the side. So over here, once go to, you can now create a ad account here. You just have to hit on create, and let's see here on this article. So over here, you can also go to this official website. How can you create Instagram ads account? So create an ad. So there, this is the actually a way to get an Instagram ads. You can also, as far as I know, do this if you have an Instagram page, so do that. So at the placement section, you can select manual placements and select Instagram to have your ads appear on Instagram. If you like advantage plus placement, your ad will run across a variety of meta technologies, including Instagram, to give you the best value for your ads. So just continue that, and now you've now selected Instagram as a placement, and you've now created your own Instagram ads. So okay guys, this is the Golden Guide. That is all for today. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.